what you say about that? Tell me back everything what you say about
The man say, in years I have man penis in my mouth. So I say, yes, me no batty man do. You understand? So he say, in years I suck pussy and cock. So I say, yes, me no batty man do. And he start to style me. And he take up a piece of stick and run me down, ready for lick me.
So how that am?
Up a week seal.
How it am? How?
No, me and the Rasta man and the Rasta man and my mother were friend. So he come in my yard one day now and see me in my underpants. And start praying me. But me never know what him up to. So him now start to tell me say, boy, he want me to give him a deep throat. So me say, yeah man, I can't do it man. Yeah. Because I tell him say, boy, a long time I know him and a long time I know my mother. You see it? And he say, yeah man, come on. You see it? And me and him go down a river and he starts say, boy, I like how you do it. You see me? So me say, boy, you have to give me your money, you know. So he start to tell me, say, you don't have no money, but you not go do me nothing. But you don't give me the money now, I can talk. And him dead.
So you thought we can not get the money?
Yeah.
Which Rastaman then?
Oh, Rastaman man, his name is CTU.
CTU, where come from?
Wake Ceiling come from.
That's clear.
It's been a long day, my right. Alright.
Alright.
Yeah.